Hey guys, Adrian back with you for another video. So, as promised, I'm gonna do this feature video on this 60 volt chainsaw of mine, Dewalt. It's the brushless model, of course. On here I have just 16-inch bar. It's a newer chain, and I'm gonna tackle this wood pile here, try to clean it up a little bit, and cut some more logs and get in time for getting ready for winter. So here goes, guys. Let's throw this GoPro on and get to it. Just bear with me for 1 second. All right, I'm just hoping that I got the camera pointed in the right direction. I got Scout over there. She's looking for coyotes. Which is probably not the smartest thing to do. And yeah, away we go. So just all you basically do is engage the brake, right? So basically, if it bucks, it'll engage the brake, but to start it, pull the brake in to engage it, and away you go. So I'm just gonna clean up this wood here, and yeah, here we go. Cutting pretty good. A lot of guys are afraid to go electric, so they're worried about the lack of power, but save for most guys. Obviously, if you're running a logging operation, this is not the saw for you. But if you're an average framer and you're cutting the odd joist, cutting out plates, or even a homeowner, saw cuts like butter. So there's 3 inches right there. And I just went right through it like nothing. I like to cut the logs around 16 inches. I figure that's the best size. Won't have to split these. I'll just throw these right in the fire. This one. Now you notice they gave me this rubber stopper here. I'm not too sure why that's on there, if I should just take that off, but comment below if you know why in fact Oregon decided to put that on their bar. It's not an oil hole. Got a pretty good start here. Locate the dog here. She ran away. Scout! Get over here. Come here. I don't know if she saw a coyote or what, but she listens pretty good for a 5-month-old pup, wouldn't you say? Okay, Scout, stay here. Stay close. Tackle this one next. Once again, guys, this is a great saw if you're like most guys and just do the odd cleanup work around the house or weekend warrior type stuff. But if you're into more like logging operations, stuff like that, I'd stick away from this saw, to be honest with you. Oh, Joe, get out of the way. Out. Let's just see how many bars we got left. So we still have 2 bars left. We've done a fair bit of cutting. Gotta have made at least 30-40 cuts. Let's keep going. Let's go. Let's go. Scout! Get over here! Come! Here she comes. Hey, stay around here. Come here. Hey, Scout. Scout, sit. Lie down. Lie down. Wait. 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 Let's do a couple more cuts. And I'm gonna head in. But you kind of get the idea. Oh, she's not listening. It's 2 bars still. And just look at all the cuts we've done. It's quite impressive. At least for electric chainsaw.